Inverter.
Hi and welcome to clickmyproject.com. This video is all about explaining the project description, workflow of the modules and demo of the project online passport. Let's start from the project description. The main aim of the project online passport is to keep track of the branch details, staff detail, user details and fare details of each branch and the collection of details of each branch and the passport status. Admin is responsible for creating branch details, staff details and fare details. Admin can update or change all above details through online itself, and the remaining details like user details, branch collection details and the passport status is maintained by the automation software. User can register with the site and access the service offered by the admin. This project is based on CMS techniques. The module we proposed on this project includes admin module, user module and access level module. Let's start from the administrative module. Admin can log in into our system and can access the service as follows. Admin can view his or her own profile, update their profile details and change the password routinely for security reasons. Admin is responsible for creating company details, staff details and branch details. Admin can perform update, view, delete operation if necessary on above details. Admin can view the user details and delete the user who were registered with our system. Admin can view each branch fare collection and make reports based on yearly and monthly basis. Admin can view the feedback form from the user and reply to the feedback. Admin can use mail service to communicate with the staffs or customers. The data flow diagram of the admin is as shown below. The next module would be the user module. As we had discussed, the user module is divided into two types, user and staff. Let's start from the user module. The user can register with the site and can access the service offered by the admin. He can view his own profile, update their profile details and change password routinely for security reasons. User can view the account details, check passport status and renewal of the passport. User can send feedback to admin regarding their services. User can use mail service to communicate with the admin or to the staff. The data flow diagram for the user module is shown below. The next module would be the staff module. Staff can log in into our system and can access the service as follows. Staff can view their own profile details, update their profile details and change the password routinely for security reasons. Staff can view about the user details and apply passport for the user and update the passport status for the user. Staff can send message to admin or to the users regarding the passport status. The data flow diagram for the staff module is shown below. The overall flow of this project is shown below. So far we have discussed about the project description and the workflow of the module. Let's start from the demo of the project. In our project we have two views, front end view and the back end view. The front end view contains the passport details which can be viewed by the visitors or the guests who are just visiting the passport website. The contents in the front end view are added by the admins. The another view is the back end view which provides services to admin, staff and the users. Let's start from the admin module. The username for admin is admin and the password is 123. By clicking on the login button, admin can log in into our system and can access the service offered to him by the system. The first page would be the home page, which contains the profile details of the admin who have logged in. The services offered to the admins are dashboard menu, add menu, view menu, delete menu, feedback menu and mail menu. By clicking on the dashboard menu, admin can update their profile details and change password routinely for security reasons. By clicking on the add menu, admin can add company details, branch details, staff details. By clicking on the view menu, admin can view the details created by him. For example, he can view the company details, branch details, staff details and customer details. By clicking on the view staff details, admin can view the staff details. By clicking on the action column view, he can view the staff details. Like next menu would be the next menu would be the delete menu. By clicking on the delete menu, admin can delete the branch details, staff details, and the customer details. By clicking on the delete staff details, admin can delete the staff details. Next would be the feedback menu. By clicking on the feedback menu, the admin can view the feedbacks from the users, and the admin can send reply to the users regarding their feedbacks. By clicking on the mail menu, admin can communicate with other users and staff using inbox mail and the compose mail. By clicking on the logout button, admin can log out from our system and return to the home page. The next module would be the staff module. The username for staff is 20101 and the password is 123. By clicking on the login button, the staff can log in into our system and can access the service offered to him. The first page would be the home page, which contains the profile detail of the staff who logged in. It also shows the alert message when the current date matches with the user's due date. We produce an alert message as alert due date matches with the user C001. The services offered to these staffs are dashboard menu, entry menu, user menu, dues menu, and the mail menu. By clicking on the dashboard menu, the staff can update their own profile details and change the password routinely for security purpose. By clicking on the entry menu, the staff can enter the new passport for the new users. By clicking on the user menu, staff can view the users who has been entered by this staff previously. By clicking on the dues menu, the staff can view the user's due date for their passport. By clicking on the mail menu, the staff can communicate with the users and to the other staffs or to the admin using inbox mail and the compose mail. By clicking on the logout button, the staff can log out from our system and they return back to the home page. The next module is the user module. The username for the user is C001 and the password is 123. By clicking on the login button, the user can log in into our system and can access the service offered to him. The first page would be the home page, which contains the profile detail of the user who logged in. It also provides an alert message. Alert due date matches with the user C001 when the current system date matches with the due date of these current users. The services offered to the users are dashboard menu, passport detail menu, download menu, and the feedback menu. By clicking on the dashboard menu, the user can update their profile details and change the password periodically for security reasons. By clicking on the passport details menu, the user can view their passport details and the passport status. By clicking on the download menu, the user can download the form for the passports. By clicking on the feedback menu, the user can send feedback to the admin or staff regarding the passport status or any queries. By clicking on the logout button, the user can log out from our system and can return to the home page. Thank you for watching this video.